Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get right into it. I have some fragrances that I've been wearing for this month of July as we are ending. So I wanted to show you all what I have been rolling and rocking with and what I've been reaching for in this month, okay? And by the way, let me know in the comment section what you have been wearing for the month of July. And you all know I'm nosy, and definitely your sis wants to know. So comment down below, let me know what you are wearing for the month of July. So first up, I was reaching for a fragrance I have not reached for in quite a while. And actually it's a citrus fragrance. I know. I know. It's not the norm. But I have been reaching for Tiffany & Co. Love, okay? This is a oldie, okay? Back in the day, back. This is an oldie but a goodie. I love this citrus fragrance, okay? This has grapefruit. You have neroli in this. It is very fresh but green, okay? And you know your sis, I don't like all the green, but this one, I love the freshness and how the green blends in here. So I don't mind Tiffany & Co. Love. Now, if we're talking about something else, maybe not. But this was so good to a point like, it's so refreshing and fresh and girly and sophisticated. Just all the things. Very classic. I love it. And that is really what I was reaching for in the month of June. Things that I have not been wearing for a while, but to me are very classic fragrances. I found myself reaching for those types of fragrances the most, but this is actually a very good one. So if you have this in your wardrobe, in your collection, sis, I would bring it out because now is the time. Summer is here, and I don't know about you, it's been hot here in the Tennessee, and I've been wanting to just smell very fresh and floral and beautiful. And I've been doing a good job, but this was definitely a winner for this month of July. Next up, another citrus floral, white floral tuberose fragrance, type of fragrance, I should say. And that is none other than Gabrielle Chanel. Okay, again, I have been, and you all know, if you are not new to this channel, I have been in my white floral bag. Well, not really the bag. Well, I have purchased some things. Anyway, I've been wearing a lot of white floral fragrances, and I have enjoyed it. And that is not a profile. Let's just get it clear, right? That's not a profile that a lot of people or, women or anyone likes to wear. Like white floral, you get like, it's dated. Since we've been there, we've done that. But for me, I don't know what it is. My body has been loving white floral. People around me in my bubble and even outside my bubble has been complimenting me on my white floral fragrances. So to me, it's working for me. But Chanel, Gabrielle Essence, okay. Can we talk about it? Like, sometimes, I'm sorry, you're going to have to, and I know I'm like putting fragrances on top of each other, but sometimes you're just going to have to go back. To me, you're just going to have to go into your current wardrobe and just remind yourself of some of these fragrances. Like, to be honest, the same as what Coco Mademoiselle was giving me, and we've talked about it here on this channel, like, that is a classic fragrance. But listen, it still does what it needs to do and the doing and done, okay? All right, so Chanel Mademoiselle, that is a winner. But let's not forget Gabrielle Essence. This is like sis, all right? So good, and it's fruity, right? It's not only like this tuberose, white floral, woody type of fragrance. It also has these fruits in here that just, I love it, okay? This is so good for the office, so good for a date. You can take this to the office to like meeting up with your friends after work and you all want to do like happy hour or something like that. It takes you there. This is so good. Such a classic fragrance. Something that is probably in your wardrobe now and you haven't touched. So dust it off, sis. And I promise you, in this hot heat season, she's going to remind you why you got her in the first daggone place, okay? Moving on. Next up, I have been talking about this fragrance. I have quite a dent in this fragrance, and you all know your sis doesn't put dent in much of anything, so that speaks volumes. When you see my dent, you're going to be like, oh yes, okay? And this is a Zara fragrance, and I was influenced to get this fragrance, and that is Feels at Nightfall. Oh my gosh, y'all see this? Look at this. I have not put this down. Since I have gotten this, I have not put this down. I can't. I'm going to try to next month because I'm going to do a trade. Y'all are going to see a trade video. I know I haven't done a trade video in a while. So I'm going to try to put it up and not reach for her. But it's going to be hard. Oh, it's so good. So good, okay? If you have Clean Reserve, I've talked about this before, but this is a woody, musk, floral type of fragrance. It is good pairing with other fragrances, and it's good by itself. Love it down. As you can see, love it down. I'm definitely going to have to get a new bottle before the summer ends because that's what it is, but I don't mind because this is like $30-$40. I mean, or I think it's like $40. This is cool. I can do that. Okay. I'm good. I can do that real quick, but this is so good. So if you're looking for a woody, musk, kind of modern scent, this is your baby for real. This is for your very stylish girl. Okay, so if you are someone that loves fashion, loves to dress, and you're like, what can I put on that is not going to take away from what I am wearing? Feels at Nightfall. And I know it's a Zara fragrance. Don't be fooled. Don't be fooled just because it's a Zara fragrance. It is still good, I promise you. If you like a musk woody scent, highly would recommend, sis, that you get your hands on what? Feels at Nightfall, for sure. Next up, a tea fragrance that has not let me down. It's white tea. We have fig in it. It's very much a popular scent, in my opinion. Well, that's what I've seen. Anyway, that is Casablanca, and this is from House of Beau. So good. Oh, she is definitely like white party, yachts, beachy, sands, vacation. That's what this gives you. So good. And even though it has a green element of it, it does not turn me off. I don't think I'm running through the forest, through the trees. This is good. So I would highly recommend if you're looking to get a new scent for your vacation, your yacht, your party, your all white party at that, or honey, Usher and Chris Brown concert. I know you already know about it. I know you already know what happened in Nashville. We're not going to talk about it. But I know what I would do.
I'm very disappointed.
Okay, anyway. I got a man. No, but Casablanca, so good, sis. Highly recommend if you are looking for something new. And I mean, I wouldn't say that this is like groundbreaking, but something new, something fresh, something that would just like elevate the experience or the trip that you're on. Casablanca from the House of Beau. Excellent. I've gotten many compliments. Promise you, it's a good one. And if you're looking for a tea scent, as I was, look no further. You're going to love her. Moving on. And last, but certainly not least, a fruity rose, sweet citrus fragrance that is such a classic. And actually, I forgot but didn't forget, right? I haven't worn her in a while and I was like, Oh, when I put her on, I was like, okay, yes, yes, yes. Remind me. Do you remember the times? Yes. Okay. Madison. Okay. Madison Avenue. Okay. This is so good. From Bond number 9. Excellent. Excellent. And this again has your fruits. It has your apple, your blackberry, your citrus in here, your rose. It is so good and it projects, okay? Don't be scared to spray it, just get in there, okay? My oversprayers get in there and she leaves a lovely scent trail. I've gotten plenty of compliments on Madison Avenue. It is so good. Such a beautiful rose fragrance. If you're not into rose and you're trying to dip your toe into rose and maybe see if you could vibe with the rose fragrance, I would try Madison Avenue. Okay, go to your local, department store. I'm sure that carries Bond number 9. And I would try to see if you kind of can get with her. Like, I feel like this is a safer rose than others, right? If you're trying to start it off, because it's rose, it's fruity, it's sweet, and I love it. It's so good, so good. Highly recommend if you are looking for something for the summer that's going to turn heads. Definitely Madison Avenue from Bond number 9 is one to try. Well, that's all. That's all, fam. From my top 5 for the month of July. What were you rocking in this month of July? Okay, I would love to know. You might be having your travel size because maybe sis, you was on vacation. You like, girl, I ain't got no full size because I was traveling, okay? Which is okay. I want to know what you have been trying, what you've been enjoying and experiencing. Yeah, give me some new, okay? I feel like I haven't bought quite a lot in this season because I have a lot of different things coming up. And so I'm going to dip and dabble into purchasing fragrances, but it might not be the full bag that I normally do. But we'll see, we'll see. Maybe God will bless and say, here, buy you something else, sis. Oh, well, I don't think God gonna say buy sis or buy something else, sis. That was probably me. Okay, that was my mind. Okay, that was me. It's fine. Well, until next time, fam, you be good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one tells you that you're more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. All right. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.